The 2026 Ram 1500 RHO has arrived, and it's rewriting the rules of American performance trucks. Replacing the legendary TRX, this beast doesn't scream with a supercharged V8 anymore. But don't be fooled. It still delivers incredible power, control, and presence that redefine what a high-performance pickup should be. The Ram RHO marks the beginning of a new chapter, where brute force meets advanced technology, and performance goes hand in hand with refinement. From the moment you see it, the RHO makes a statement. It's wide, muscular, and ready to dominate. The aggressive hood with integrated heat extractors, bold Ram lettering across the grille, and LED headlights with signature daytime running lights give it a presence that's unmistakable. The truck stands tall on massive 35-inch all-terrain tires wrapped around black alloy wheels, engineered for desert, mountain, or track. The bodywork is slightly refined compared to the TRX, but the aerodynamic sculpting is even sharper. Every surface seems to cut through the air while hinting at the power that hides underneath. Under the hood lies the new twin-turbocharged 3.0-liter Hurricane high-output inline-6 engine, producing an astonishing 540 horsepower and 521 lb-ft of torque. Yes, it's smaller than the TRX's Hellcat V8, but thanks to lighter weight and better efficiency, the RHO delivers nearly the same performance with improved handling and balance. The acceleration is brutal, 0 to 60 mph in around 4.6 seconds, which is wild for a full-size truck. The power delivery feels instant, with twin turbos eliminating lag and the 8-speed automatic transmission delivering lightning-fast shifts. The suspension system has also seen a major evolution. Ram continues its use of Bilstein Blackhawk E2 adaptive dampers, allowing the RHO to glide over rough terrain while maintaining incredible stability. With 14 inches of front suspension travel and 15 inches at the rear, the truck feels equally comfortable jumping dunes or cruising down a highway. The new chassis tuning makes it even more composed, ensuring control whether you're cornering fast or tackling rocky trails. It's the kind of engineering that lets you forget you're in a 6,000-pound truck. The RHO's all-wheel drive system is equally impressive. It's designed with a full-time active transfer case that distributes torque seamlessly. Whether it's snow, mud, or sand, the truck finds grip effortlessly. Add in advanced drive modes, including Baja, Rock, Snow, Sport, and Custom, and you have a pickup that adapts like a high-end sports SUV. It's not just built to go fast, it's built to go anywhere, no matter the conditions. Step inside and you're greeted by an interior that redefines what luxury in a performance truck can be. The cabin is covered in premium materials, leather, suede, and real metal accents. The RHO logo is stitched proudly into the seatbacks, reminding you this is something special. The new 14.5-inch Uconnect touchscreen dominates the dashboard, paired with a 12.3-inch digital driver display that's fully customizable. The interface is crisp, fluid, and loaded with features like off-road telemetry, performance gauges, and wireless smartphone connectivity. Even the smallest details, from the aluminum paddle shifters to the redesigned center console, reflect a blend of utility and sophistication. The seats are massive, supportive, and heated and ventilated in both rows. Ram didn't just focus on performance, they made sure the RHO is as comfortable on a daily commute as it is in the desert. The panoramic sunroof floods the cabin with light, and the 19-speaker Harman Kardon sound system turns every drive into a private concert. There's also a full suite of driver assist technologies including adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and 360-degree cameras for effortless maneuvering. Around the back, the bed is lined with durable coating and multiple tie-down points for real-world utility. A power tailgate, bed camera, and LED lighting make it as practical as it is thrilling. The dual exhausts sit low and wide, producing a deep, menacing note that still hints at Ram's muscle heritage. Even though this time, the sound comes from a Turbo 6 instead of a V8 roar. The 2026 Ram 1500 RHO is not just about replacing the TRX, it's about evolving beyond it. The move to a smaller, more efficient twin-turbo engine represents the changing face of performance. Ram has managed to maintain the thrill, the power, and the attitude while embracing modern engineering that's lighter, cleaner, and smarter. It's proof that downsizing doesn't mean compromise. it means progress. On the road, the RHO feels stable and controlled. There's minimal body roll despite its size, and the steering is surprisingly precise for a pickup. The transmission's responsiveness ensures you're always in the power band, and when you push it hard, the RHO just digs in and goes. Off-road, it's unstoppable. Sand dunes, mud pits, steep climbs, nothing phases it. It's the kind of truck that inspires confidence and delivers pure driving joy no matter the surface. Ram also gave special attention to the looks. Optional color packages, carbon fiber accents, and special badging make it stand out even more. The lighting signatures, from the LED bar integrated into the hood to the taillight design, give it an unmistakable identity, day or night. At an expected starting price of around $70,000, the 2026 Ram 1500 RHO offers mind-blowing performance and capability for the money. It competes directly with the Ford Raptor and GMC Sierra AT4X, and it's safe to say Ram has built something that doesn't just compete, it dominates. The RHO embodies everything Ram stands for: toughness, innovation, and pure American muscle, reborn for a new era. It's a truck that brings performance to a new generation of enthusiasts, proving once again that Ram knows how to build not just a pickup, but a legend. With the RHO, the future of high-performance trucks is here, and it's unstoppable.